Hey there, fellow internet enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of browser extensions with a focus on a unique feature of the Turn Off the Lights extension. If you're someone who loves improving your online experience, then this video is definitely for you. Now, let's talk about the Turn Off the Lights analytics in the Turn Off the Lights browser extension. It's an ingenious feature designed to enhance your browsing while respecting your privacy. Many of you might be wondering what exactly this analytics feature does, so let's break it down. The analytics feature is straightforward yet powerful. It only collects minimal information: the current web page URL, the precise moment you click on the lamp icon to dim the lights, and the duration of time you stay in the dark mode. That's it. Rest assured, no personal information is ever collected. The creators of Turn Off the Lights value your privacy, and they've made sure this feature adheres to the highest privacy standards. Just imagine the convenience this feature brings. You can enjoy a seamless transition from a brightly lit screen to a dimmed one, all with just a single click. It's perfect for those late-night browsing sessions or when you want to reduce eye strain during those movie nights. You might be wondering, how does this compare to other tech giants like Apple's Screentime or Microsoft's Screentime? Well, it's quite similar in principle. Just like those features, Turn Off the Lights analytics ensures that only non-identifiable information is gathered. No names, no emails, no browsing history. It's all about improving your browsing experience while maintaining the highest level of privacy. And you can always disable this option in the options page at the bottom of the Turn Off the Lights analytics page. So there you have it, folks. Turn Off the Lights analytics is a game changer for anyone who loves a seamless, distraction-free browsing experience, all while safeguarding your privacy. If you're intrigued and ready to elevate your browsing experience, make sure to download the Turn Off the Lights extension right now. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell, so you never miss exciting tech updates like this one. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep browsing smartly and shining bright.